Hello guys, this is Sumaiya and today I am going to share with you how I have prepared for my new semester in university. So without any delay, let's go through the video. At first, I wrote all the tasks that I am going to do. This helped me to do all my tasks in an organized way. I decluttered my table by organizing and separating my notes, books, and other accessories of previous semester that I am not going to use further. I also declutter my pencils and pens that I'm not going to use. I have checked all my pens before starting my semester. I organized all my previous notes in a giant file and free up the handy files for the new semester notes. Accessories or stationeries I needed to buy as I finished them using. I get to know about my new upcoming courses and new instructors. Then I make my reference page and set my goals. Making a reference page will help me a lot as currently I am taking online classes. My reference page contains the course instructor's name, their email, their phone number, and designation. There's also a portion for assignments too. Finally, setting little and easy goals will help me to improve myself in the new semester. Hope hope you guys all liked my video, and if you want this type of videos or vlogs, then please subscribe and hit the like button. And thank you for watching my video.